it's in the way of me removing the rudder. Alright, finally a clear view of the steering quadrant. Fresh new cables on this. The bronze not bad. There's a little grease on it, but yeah. Determined the pull here is well above the water lines, so it's just packing gland here, even though it's not in the water. So it's these two bolts, and then this one, and this should be able to slide down as I drop the rudder. During mid-tide. So now once there's a slack tide, I'll dive and drop the rudder. She's moving.